students, so today let's study about structure of atom, one of the easiest and important topic of your 9th standard. So, what is atom? Atom is a very smallest particle which is present in this universe. Let me give an easy example through which you can understand it thoroughly. If I consider a piece of chalk and I divide it into small pieces and ultimately I get the smallest piece of it, that is considered as an atom. It is just an example where in this world you get many examples of this atom, which will be a very smallest minute particle. Consider it as a for now. And who discovered electrons? Electrons is discovered by J.J. Thomson. Before that, how is the structure of an atom? Let us understand, coming to the topic. So basically, consider this is an atom with positively charged particle and neutrons in it, and electrons will be revolving around the nucleus. So this is considered as a nucleus completely, and this is electrons negatively charged, and it has a positively charged particles and neutrons, where the electrons revolving around the nucleus and nucleus having the protons and neutrons in it. So what is electrons? Electrons basically negatively charged particles, protons is a positive and electron negative and either positive particle. You should understand this much as for now. And you study the charge of an atom, mass of an electron, and how this actually came up. The concept of electrons is through cathode ray experiment, where he passed the charged particles from cathode towards the anode in the cathode ray experiment. That is, he found the negatively charged particles, where he determined it as electrons. Charge we seen, mass we have seen. Next, what is discovery of protons? Protons is nothing but positively charged particles. It's very easy to understand. P stands for P, that is positive, and you can easily remember this, positive. Okay, now coming to the E. Goldstein's experiment. He discovered that the different condition in same chamber, anode emitted positively charged particle known as canal. Similarly, the same experiment he did, and he came to know there is a presence of positively charged particles. He determined it as nothing but as proton. Okay, now you're clear about the concept. Now coming to the discovery of neutrons, James Chadwick, the person who is behind the discovery of neutrons, he also did some experiment and he found about the presence of neutrons. So neutrons is nothing but it's having a zero charge, not even a positive, not even a negative, so it's having a zero charge in it. Next, very important model for you guys. It's very easy and important part for your examination. Keeping that point in your mind, Thomson's model of an atom, that is watermelon pudding. So watermelon model. It's very easy. Model. You should understand it in an easy way. Consider this is a watermelon. Okay, watermelon's part. This is reddish part, and consider the seeds in it. Consider the seeds. So this watermelon, where we consider it is a positive sphere. That red part is there now, that you consider it fully, it is there, completely it is occupied. That space what you get is called as the positive sphere. Okay, where these electrons are embedded on it. Okay, they are present, these seeds. Okay, I'll not mess it up, I'll tell you easily. So look at this diagram clearly. So here you see a positive sphere. Okay, you see a positive sphere on which electrons are embedded on it. That is all about this theory. Let me read it again and make you clear. Thomson predicted that the presence of electrons inside positive sphere, just some seed of watermelon, are embedded in red label part of watermelon. Similarly, in watermelon, the seeds are considered as what? Electrons. The space in the red color space, that is called as what? Positive charge. That is what the atom model is all about. Thomson's atomic model. This is very important and very important for your examination point of view. And what did Rutherford do? Let's see. He kept a radioactive source and he kept a fluorescent screen. He used a gold foil through which he sent some particles through the gold foil, and some of the particles passed through the gold foil because most of the space in the atom are empty. Some of them bounced back, and some of them, particle rebounded, and some of them deflected, and some of the gold particle passed. That's what given, the 3 points are given to us. This is what Rutherford atomic model told us, and he came to several conclusions. So this is all about structure of an atom. Very simple and easiest way I tried to convey you guys that what structure of atom is all about. So I think you guys all clear with the concept, and hope you all like this video, and that's all for the video. Thank you so much.